Tired of tedious meat prep? Meet the Sinyder Electric Meat Grinder 3000W, your new kitchen powerhouse. This heavy-duty stainless steel mincer effortlessly grinds up to 2 pounds of meat per minute, thanks to its powerful 3000-watt motor. But it's more than just a grinder. This multifunctional appliance comes with 2 blades, 3 grinding plates, sausage stuffer tubes, and even a cup kit. Everything you need to create delicious homemade burgers, meatballs, sausages, and more. The one-button control with reverse function ensures safe and easy operation, while the stainless steel construction guarantees lasting durability. Cleanup is a breeze. The removable parts are dishwasher safe. Plus, Sinyder's commitment to quality is unmatched. They offer a 24/7 online service guarantee. Stop wasting time and upgrade your kitchen today. Visit our product page now and experience the Sinyder difference. Click here to learn more and order yours. Link to product